Hi, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Zone. I'm back with another video. Now look, today I got this little video that I want to show y'all. Basically like another trade breakdown. Y'all know I do these every few days when I feel like doing some little setups that I thought was real profitable for me and for my group. So we're gonna go over a couple of those trades in this video today. But before we start the video, bro, I need y'all to do me a favor. I need y'all to hit the like button on the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and if you want to join the signals chat. Right now the signals chat literally has the craziest sale that I ever did right now, right? If you go onto my website, let me show y'all right now. If you go onto my website, you can see we got a Christmas sale going on, right, all the way until December the 25th, which is on Christmas Day, right? The sale ends on Christmas Day. Right now we got the monthly signals for the normal price. We got the 6-month signals chat for $100, right? It's normally $144, right? Then we got the $200 1-year signals. It's normally $300. It's gonna go back to $300 on Christmas. Then I have literally this 1 week only, I have a lifetime signals package where y'all can purchase the signals for as long as the signals chat is running for $310, right? You do not have to pay no monthly fees after that. You get it forever, right? $310. One time, this is a one-time offer for now, right? It ends on December the 25th. Then all of these things will go back to the normal price and this one would disappear off the site. So like I said, when you know what I'm saying, purchase a plan or whatever, you can come back to the home screen and click join here after purchase. Join the signals, the new members chat, which is what happens when you click this button, and then tell us that you signed up for the signals and provide us with proof of purchase, and then we'll invite you to the signals chat. But y'all need to take advantage of this right now if you've been trying to get into the signals chat. Like I said, 6 months for $100, a year for $200, and lifetime for $310. Mind you, the lifetime price is usually what the 1-year signals price is, so you're getting a big deal right here. So go and sign up now before this week is over. But let's go ahead and hop into this video, because I sent out 2 good signals on Thursday, December the 17th. I sent out 2 good signals that went, for my daily goal for the signals chart, which is like 20-40 pips a day. I sent out 2 different trades that day, and I could have sent out another trade that went for 100 pips, but I don't like to send too many signals in the signals chat. I try to keep it consistent. So let's go ahead and look at those trades and let's hop into it. So as you can see, if we go on to the chart right now, matter of fact, let's just look at the signals chat, right? As you can see right here, I sent out a trade that says sell EURJPY, right? Sell EURJPY. And then I sent out a sell on GBPUSD. Both of these trades hit TP at 20 pips a piece, right? But let's see the EURJPY entry. Okay, so I sent out the trade and told y'all to take the trade at 126.256, right? It was a sell. Basically what I did for this trade is I was on an hour chart when I was doing my analysis for this, just to see where the direction of the market wanted to go. I took a fib from this high to this low, right? And I was just expecting just a tiny pullback on EURJPY to go long, right? I mean to short. So it was just a quick scout. So basically, like, I like to get in, like I said, at the 70 to 79 and the 62 levels, right? The 50 is cool sometimes, but I usually don't take trades at the 50 unless I see some real good price action, right? So I know y'all say y'all don't like me doing videos on MetaTrader 4, but this is like the best way I can show y'all, because this is where I actually did my analysis at, right? So let's look at the chart though. As you can see, price came all the way back up to the 70 fib, right, which is right here. This is my entry that I want. So basically what I did was I went down to the lower time frame on the 5-minute chart, right? And we're looking at December 17th, so we took the trade on this day, right, with my yellow line is. So if we go down to like the 15, as you can see, what happened was we had this engulfing candle at the 70, right between the 70 and the 79. We had this slow little price action building up to go for a short, right? We got an engulfing candle here on the 15-minute chart, right? Price pushed back up, gave us another engulfing, right? This is where I sent y'all the signal at. Once I seen that engulfing candle form and price pushed back up to the half of it, this is where I sent the signal out, right? 126.315 which is where I got in at. But for y'all, the trade was sent down here, right? It was like y'all probably got into the trade at like 256, so somewhere down here, right? Somewhere down here. the target for this trade was literally just this low, right? So what happened? Price came up, gave us half of this candle, pushed straight down to my TP, and that trade was a easy 20 pips, right? But the overall move was long, which is what I was talking about when I said I wanted to send that other trade out. But it was getting close to the end of New York. But if I would have sent that trade out when I wanted to, this trade went for 100 pips, right? Over the next day. It would have been like we get in right here somewhere, and then as you can see, about 80 something pips, right? The entry might have been better on a 5-minute chart, but like I said, this was the first trade that I sent for 20 pips. I'm gonna go and show y'all the second trade now that I took on GBPUSD. Mind you, these trades really don't be having no drawdown, bro. Like when I send these signals, it's either gonna hit stop loss or it's gonna go straight to TP, right? So, and the stop loss be tiny. Like if we like, it's literally just at the top of market structure. So to 256, right? Where y'all got in at. Probably was like a 10 pip. It was a 10 pip stop loss for sure. I put the stop loss right above this red candle. So it was the 10 pip stop loss, 5 pip stop loss, something like that. And as price moves into profit, I move the stop loss down to the next area of structure. So we really having good risk management on the trades, because if you just look at the signal, like look at the stop loss, it was 5 pips, right? That's a 1 to 4 return, right? 5 pips for 20 pips. It was crazy. So let's look at the GBPUSD trade, then we're gonna get off of here. So if we look at the GBPUSD trade, we got a sale at 1.36048. Look at the stop loss, 4 pips. 1.36048, right? So let's go to GBPUSD, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I did for this trade. All right, y'all, so this is the GBPUSD trade that I took right here. So basically, this was basically like a fib trade too, with a couple of different confirmations, but I'm gonna just go over the basic. So basically all I did was I took the fib from this high to this low, and I waited for price to push back up into like the 62 to 70 area. And as you can see, it pushed back up into the 62 and it almost hit the 70, right? So when I seen this crazy rejection like this, I actually had went down to the minute chart to get my entry, because I think it was like it was an engulfing candle at the 62 and pushed, and this candle just pushed all the way down, right? My goal was, when I seen price pushing back up here, I was gonna get smack in at the 70, but it didn't reach the 70, it just rejected the 62, and I got in like right after the 62 got hit. So this is why the entry, that's like as soon as price came below the 62, that's why I sent out the trade, right? So we got in right here at this horizontal line at 36048. Our stop loss was literally right above this wick right here. So I'm gonna show y'all how small the stop loss was. 4 pips, right? Originally it was a 10 pip stop loss, because originally I had put the stop loss like above this candle, something like that, for a 10 pip stop loss. And then I moved it down to 4 pips once I seen price wasn't trying to come back and, you know, test that. So we got in here. My target was supposed to be at the bottom of this wick, right? But I only want 20 pips off the trade, so I took it here, right at this line at 847. So, and then sometimes what price will do is it'll come down to this, you know, to the low, and it won't come and hit the wick. Sometimes it'll just stop like halfway through the wick, or it'll hit the opening of the candle. So I put the stop loss right here at an even 20, and price hit it, you know, went back up, then it came back down, because some of the people that took this trade didn't get taken out when I got taken out, because everybody broke is different, so the spread be kind of off sometimes. But you know, price ended up pushing up and coming right back down, and then hitting everybody TP. It even went a little lower. If we would have held it from here to here, this was a 45 pip trade, and then, you know, price reversed and continued to go up, and then it came back down again. But I didn't trade on Friday, so I can't even look at none of this. But this is the trades I took on Thursday. Hopefully y'all made some money. Everybody in the signals chat definitely made some money. We gonna hopefully have a good week this week. I don't know what's gonna go on, because it's, you know what I'm saying, it's Christmas week, so I don't know how the bank's gonna play out. But if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all drop me a like, sub to the channel if you're new, and go and get this signals chat deal while you can, because after Christmas Day, the sale is gone. It will not be no more opportunities to get the lifetime signals, so y'all gotta get it right now while you can. Also follow me on Instagram at I'm Kenzo, and go and sub to my second channel. The link is gonna be in the description for that as well. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Peace.